Oh, yeah. Thinner cover. Oh my. Wow. That was fun. Oh yeah?
Last day, right? Is what it was. Getting caught again. It's a tiny stream now, but that's a nice, that's a big.
That's a really nice view.
Yeah. Big good spot for the tent.
Yeah, on the ice. You can tell we're almost there. I think we're about to get to another collection of ponds. Yeah, right there, look.
Yeah.
And then we just keep going.
Oh, I think we're about to get to that river.
That was quick.
So that must be that other road.
Hold on, let me lock in real quick.
Having some deep snow.
Hold up, let me lock in real quick. Oh wow, that's pretty.
A lot of people want to cross it, but I think they should. That's the tiniest crossing ever.
I think this is I think this is wood.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's long.
Yeah.
You can get water from here.
Yeah, I mean, it's fresh.
Yeah, it comes from somewhere.
Oh, that's cool.
That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool.
There's a birdhouse. Or a bat box, rather.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Hey, I got that on video. I didn't realize my skis were crossed. Zoom it. Do you want this ball? That was cool. Oh,
That's what we both
I'm recording too.
Hot hole pond.
Ah. Sweet. Oh yeah.
Oh, bro.
Wait, which way is it? Are you sure? Oh, yeah.
It's not, yeah, that's not it. It's down, bro. Through the woods.
Dude.
It's rocky.
It's rocky and it's rough country.
Yep.
Oh my god. Should we take the things off and leave them up here? I'm actually...
Nah.
No, because look.
It's not that bad.
I'm not coming up that. No, I want to leave them.
Nah. Then we have to, I don't know how much further it is. Then we have to walk back. Let's go.
Alright, but if we get like stuck, it's your fault. Yeah, but the problem is I don't know how to stop. Well, I tell you, bro, you literally can't. You literally can't stop, bro. I'm taking them off.
Bro. Alright, let's just do it.
Alright, can we leave these up here?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Just out of my hair, maybe?
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
I don't think anybody else is coming, so. I think that's open, but over there is frozen. Be careful, this is steep too.
Yeah, we were not making it down.
View.
We can do this.
It's all frozen.
Yeah.
I thought this was open water.
I got the snow.
Oh wow.
Trying to find a spot. Yeah.
Sweet, bro. I think you're on ice right now.
I'm just at the shore.
Yeah, no, you're fine. You're just stepping on like, it's like frozen mud.
Oh, it's definitely not frozen.
Little spot set up.
Nice spot right here. We got some.
What we got
some
cooking?
of the Luke's Outdoors Boys bread.
With honey butter bread, right?
Yep. Hold on.
That's what it's called.
Honey butter.
Yeah.
And then we've got.
So it's just water. Yeah. Well, we got hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa.
We got some ramen mixes.
We got a naked blue machine.
That's his.
Put that in the cold.
I am thirsty though.
Yeah. Let's see. Got some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Yeah, we've got a good old feast here.
So we got some
Beauty view.
bowl. Yeah, what a view.
Just came from. We had to drop the skis because we kind of like crashed into each other. That was fun.
And we got the cooking system.
There we go. Set up.
Alright, the stove. Got the fuel. Stove, right? It's dirty in there. Alright,
Swiss not sponsored.
not sponsored by Swiss. Alright, so this just hooks straight into this and then it's locked in for hot chocolate.
Good.
That. And now we just wait for the wait to boil.
The hot chocolate. It's in the bowl. Cooling in the snow. Sun's definitely going down. We probably should have planned for this a little bit better. What the hell? Definitely a good sunset spot, even though we can't really see the sun. But I mean, you can see where it ends over there.
Just imagine, bro. There's like kids at home sitting on the couch.
Pretty much.
We're over here making ramen in the middle of the woods as it's getting dark.
The sun is actively. It's gone down.
Yeah, the sun's gone down. We got some slowly boiling water. Look at the flame. Pretty sick. Ramen. Oh, what is up there? What are you doing?
Putting them together. It's right here.
Water's almost gone.
It said to fill up like to a certain line.
Just enough water, bro.
All right, we're gonna dig in.